Hello dear friends, welcome to your own channel Gramification. I am Raj Swarup Mun. Today we are in the very last phase of sentence and we are going to discuss about two types of sentences that are extremely rare in its use. So let us come to the board and see those sentences. The first one is interrogative negative sentence. As the word suggests, interrogative means there must be question, and negative means there must be no. So this is a sentence that is the combination of two, interrogative and negative sentence. And what is the purpose of this sentence? Subject is given importance. This is subject oriented sentence, means we are highlighting the subject in this type of sentence, and this sentence ends with a question mark. Question mark is a must because interrogative is there. Let's see the structure. The structure of this type of sentence is auxiliary verb or helping verb followed by the subject, then not, then verb plus object. So let us see with an example. It will be very easy for you to apprehend the same. I am playing guitar. We all know this type of sentence. This is affirmative sentence, and in my previous videos I had explained how to convert this type of affirmative sentences into negative one. If you have missed those videos, then please see my channel, you will get the video. Negative, the placing is after the helping verb or auxiliary verb and before the main verb. Helping verb is am, main verb is playing. So before that we are putting not. I am not playing guitar. This is a negative sentence. Whenever we have to convert the same into interrogative negative, as per the structure, simply we have to drag this auxiliary verb or helping verb to the front and rest will be as it is. In the next we can see, am I not playing guitar? Question mark. Let us see another type of sentence. It is also very rare. Negative interrogative sentence. As like of this previous one, here is also there is negative. Next one is interrogative. Negative quality, as I told you, no or not, and interrogative quality question mark. It must be there in this type of sentence. But you may have the question that in the previous one also there is interrogative and negative, here also interrogative negative. Please look at both of the sentence. In the previous one, interrogative was in the beginning. In this one, interrogative is in the second place. And it is verb oriented. Means in this type of negative interrogative sentence, we pay more attention towards the verb. The structure goes like this: auxiliary verb or helping verb followed by not plus subject plus verb plus object. Let us see the same example that we had discussed. I am not playing guitar. So in this sentence what we have to take? Am not at a time. We have to take both the words, auxiliary verb plus not to the front, and rest of the sentence will be as it is. As I have already written, am not I playing guitar. End of the sentence we have to put a question mark. So this is the end of interrogative negative and negative interrogative sentence. There is another type of sentence that is generally called as question tag, and it is more or less as similar as negative interrogative, but as it is a lengthy one, so in our next video we are going to discuss the question tag sentence in a detailed way. As we have completed the basic 5 types of sentences as well as 2 another types of sentences, so let us check ourselves that how much we have grasped the subject. For example, there may be questions: rearrange the jumbled words. means it is in a segregated or haphazard manner. We have to arrange it in a proper sequence. Nobody originated knows exactly where the apple. So how to arrange it? Let's remember the formula SVO. So here the first word is nobody, subject. Nobody exactly knows where the apple originated. Nobody exactly knows where the apple originated. Let us see another example. Imagination, the end, the passion of poetry is the language. We are talking about what? Poetry. Poetry is the imagination and the passion of the language. We can mark it also 1, 2, 3, 4. Poetry is the imagination and the passion of the language. Let us see third example. City children living do know not of enjoy the open air the. We are talking about what? City children. City children do not know the joy of living in the open air. So there may be questions like such in even competitive exam or even board exams also. So you have to find out the subject, verb followed by the object, and you can arrange the sentences in that way. Let us see another kind of question. Identify the types of sentences. In questions or in exam there might be question, the sentences may be there and you have to say that what type of sentence it is. I am sure you will be a master of English grammar. What type of sentence it is? This is assertive sentence or simple sentence. This is all the best. We are wishing someone else, positive wish, optative. Do you know to swim? Next word is do you know how to swim? Asking question. This is interrogative sentence. Oh God, stop the spread of COVID-19. You are praying God that the spread of COVID-19 should stop immediately or in a very rapid speed. It should stop. So this is also positive. This is optative. Stand at ease. You are commanding to a large number of people. So this is imperative sentence. This is the end of today's video, and if you want more questions like such for practice, then please follow the Google form below. You send me your number and I will send you the questions for more practice. Thank you for your patience watching. Thank you and have a very nice day.